A compact glass-walled entrance is nestled stylishly among the surrounding wooden buildings of Sipoo municipality. There is no other indication of the 5,700 square meter multipurpose facility functioning beneath the surface. The Sipoo Community Centre features a divisible sports hall, meeting rooms, sauna, cafeteria, and municipal computer training classroom. Additionally, in times of crisis, the centre can provide shelter for 1,800 people. The main sports hall can be divided into 4 separate areas, each with a designated entrance. One section is equipped with a soundproof curtain, allowing, for example, dance groups to practice to music or yoga groups to practice in peace. Opened in April 2004, the Pride open spaces in the Sipoo Community Centre are used by 36,000 people each year. The Sipoo Community Centre and the Civil Defence Shelter shows Rockplan's art of design.